this is an Android head unit, and it comes with GPS. Okay, there's the GPS receiver there. And what happened is that sometimes it's not so accurate, because you know, when I'm going along a road here, it will sense that I'm at this side. So, and it's a little bit slow, so meaning that when it comes to the first turn, the first junction, and I'm actually at the second junction already, then only it will show it in the map. I mean, I'm using a Waze, so it's slightly delayed. So what happened is that I feel that maybe, you know, if I can use Apple Carplay, you know, it will help. So this is actually helping me to add on Apple Carplay or Android Auto into this Android player, Android head unit. And sometimes, you know, the satellite, it will not show. Yeah, not this one, sorry, this one. The satellite, it will not show, depending on the weather, the cloud. So, but as for the phone, I have no problem at all, you know. So that is the reason why I wanted to get this to add on a CarPlay for my head unit here. So let's take a look at this is the adapter. So there you go. It's called Carling kit. I'm not sure how you call it. So what I need to do is I just need to plug into the, let's see here. I just need to plug into this one USB port there. I just need to plug in there. Then it should be able to. Then my phone will connect to this part, you know, using a USB cable. Then I should be able to use the CarPlay. But of course I need to download app into this head unit before I do that. Okay, in order to install the app, I need to make sure that I'm connected to Wi-Fi, which I am right now, and need to go to the Chrome or any internet browser, and make it in the, what you call this, the address given by this Carling CarPlay adapter. So this is the link given by the seller of this Apple CarPlay adapter. So what I'm going to do is, so once I have clicked on the APK link, it asks me whether I want to download. So let's download it. Okay. I'm downloading the AutoKit.apk. It takes about 6.78 meg. Now it's already downloaded, so let's open the APK, and it will ask you whether you want to install this. Just click install, and it shall be installing right now. And it's done. So what you can do is you open it. Yeah, then I need to insert the product, which is this one. Let's try it now. Sorry for the dark environment. It's all you need to do is to plug in to the USB port, which is linked to the player, and you can see there's a light there. It's on, and it will ask you, allow the auto kit to access USB device. Please press OK. Press auto key. Just press always. Okay, ask me to connect the phone, so let's connect my iPhone and try. Okay, let's check out what are the settings that can be done here. I think speed, fluency, compatible, working mode. Oh, using this mode can be slow. I'll go for speed then. Image scale, full screen, iPhone mode, CarPlay, mirror, of course CarPlay, CarPlay mode, manual, automatic. Let's try automatic. Android mode, Android Auto. Night mode, let be auto. Automatic start, yeah, of course. System icon, you know, Siri or exit. I'm not sure what is that. driving position left, we're actually right. Okay, safe lock on, make it on. Advanced settings, what's in there? iPhone mirror mode. No, I don't need mirror mode. I have it already in the Android Auto. Charging mode strong, yeah, that's good. Backstage control on, not sure what is that. Microphone for car, yeah, it's working. The Siri is working. Quick ball, what is quick ball? No idea. Language setting, let it be auto. And volume button to switch music. Not sure what is that. I think it's just volume button. Oh, I think it's volume button here. Why would I want to switch music using that? No, I don't want to do that. OEM icon selection. Driving a Nissan. Where is it? You don't have a Nissan here? Oh, there you go. Okay, let's try this. Okay, return. And software version updates. I can check for updates, but it's just updated, so I just install this. I don't think there's any updates. Yeah, so okay, I think I'm back. So let's just try again, connect the phone, and there you go, it's working. And why is it hang now? Let's on it. And what happened? Let's try again. Okay, let's disconnect again, connect it back. It's working. Oh, okay. So what happened is that you just replace the car logo with Nissan. So it's not perfect, it's still there, it's some bugs around, you know, it might work, might not work. Don't fiddle this around, otherwise it will disconnect. Yeah, I think that's the drawback. Once I've hidden this behind, then I don't think I got this problem anymore. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. And I can set left and right hand drive, you know. No, it's right hand drive. I can select the some of this here. It's more intuitive because I'm on the right side and I don't have to put my hand here to bring to choose this stuff here. And this is a very simple way of putting a CarPlay into your existing Android unit player. Just plug in, put in an app, and link your phone to the adapter, and it works. Make sure I on it. Oh yeah, there you go. It's there back. Okay, I'll make another video about how to use CarPlay, and most likely I will also hide this adapter into the car, you know, rather than looking at this. It's a little bit messy. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and give a thumbs up and like. I'll also place a link to where you can get this, you know. Thanks.